Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to take a backup of a Supabase database. Start by opening your web browser and go to the Supabase website. After logging in, you will see the Supabase dashboard. This page shows all the projects connected to your account. Look for the project whose database you want to back up. Click on the project name to open it. When the project dashboard opens, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From this list, find and click on the option called Database. After clicking Database, the Database Management page will open. Here you will see different tabs and tools related to your database. Now look for the option called Backups. Click on Backups to open the Backup Management page. At this point, you may see a message explaining that backups are not available on the free plan. Supabase automatic database backups are only available on paid plans. Supabase provides different plans with different backup retention periods. On the Pro plan, database backups are stored for 7 days. On the Team plan, backups are stored for 14 days. On the Enterprise plan, backups can be stored for up to 30 days. Once your project is upgraded to a supported plan, the backup section will allow you to view and manage your database backups directly from this page. Thanks for watching.